It's 2 a.m. You're doom scrolling again. You said you just check Instagram. 45 minutes ago, your to-do list, your dreams, still sitting in the corner collecting dust. But here's the thing no one tells you. It's not your fault. Your brain's control system is hijacked. And if you don't unfuck it, you'll live your entire life controlled by things that don't care if you succeed. Part 1. Your brain is on autopilot, and you didn't program it. Let's be real. You're not lazy, unmotivated, or broken. You're just running code that someone else wrote for you. Social media wrote part of that code. Your dopamine system, rewarding you for short-term garbage. Your school, your job, your friends, even your fears, they've all written scripts into your brain, and the problem? You never check the code. You just let your brain run on default. Wake up, scroll, regret, numb, repeat. And if you keep doing that, you'll get to 40. Look back and say, I was never in control. Not once. Part 2. Dopamine is the puppet master, but you're the puppet. Your brain doesn't care about your goals. It cares about hits, tiny, short-term dopamine hits. It's the crack cocaine of your attention span. That's why you feel productive watching self-help videos, but can't open a Google Doc. That's why starting a business feels terrifying, but sending memes feels like a job. The control system is broken, and you're not bad. You're wired for survival, not success. The modern world weaponized that. But here's the twist. You can retrain the system. Part 3. Reprogram the machine. Step 1. Cut the code. For 3 days, go dopamine dry. No socials, no junk food, no binge watching. You're not punishing yourself. You're cleaning the control panel. Feel the withdrawal. That pain? That's proof. Proof your brain has been run by impulses, not intention. Now, every time you delay gratification, you earn control points. You're not fixing your life. You're reclaiming the driver's seat. Next, create a trigger loop. Every morning before anything else, pick one hard task. Set a 30-minute timer. Block distractions. Do it. Then repeat. Over time, you rewire focus. You train your brain that delayed reward is the new dopamine. Part 4. Identity is the master switch. None of this sticks until your brain knows who it's doing this for. You're not just trying to be productive. You're becoming the type of person who builds things that matter, who finishes what they start, who doesn't need motivation, because they have systems. That identity is what fuels the control system long term. You're not unfucking your brain for a week of hustle. You're doing it for a lifetime of clarity. Closing CTA. Call to awareness. So ask yourself, who's been running your mind all these years? Was it you? Or was it the algorithm, the sugar, the fear? You get one brain, one shot, one chance to take the controls back. So start now. Unfuck the system, or let the system unfuck you. Your choice.